Today we're going to do a few unboxings. These are items that I have had here for a while, and I'm just now getting around to opening them up, and I thought I would do it with you guys. These came from a fellow YouTuber, actually a couple of fellow YouTubers, and I'm certainly going to mention them. So let's get this first one opened up. This is from Marzena. Her channel is Amberzena-Sunshine. And one of these items, I'm not sure which one it's going to be, I had purchased during a fundraiser that they were doing for Haley over at Halies Jewelry and Crafts. Look how sweet this is. Isn't that pretty? She has sent me a thank you, a sticker for her channel. Let's take this out so you guys can see it. This is her channel, and I'm also going to put a link to it in the description box below this video. A thank you sticker and a small cleaning cloth for my jewelry. How thoughtful is that? So you guys, if you haven't checked her out, please go do so. She does auctions on her channel. So if you go to her channel and you do not see any videos, they're on there. You just have to click under at the top where it says live. She also sent me a pin advertising her channel. This is really nice, and I'll put it to good use. Now let's get this open. Are these not pretty? And to be honest with you guys, I cannot remember which item I purchased that was from Marzena and which item I purchased that was sold by Picky Niki, which is another channel that was involved in the fundraiser. I think that maybe these beautiful sterling and pearl earrings were earrings that I purchased from Marzena. And I'm going to zoom in so you can get a really good look at these. Aren't these beautiful? They have marcasites set into them. And these are done in sterling. So there was another item in there that I overlooked. She sent me this little notepad, and it's got sunflowers on it. Also wanted to mention, she does auctions. She doesn't just have jewelry, guys. She does jewelry, she does purses, accessories such as scarves, and she also does a lot of really nice handmade items that she's done herself. I'm pretty sure I have shown at least one item that I purchased from her that was a handmade item on my channel before. Let's get this next item opened up. A free gift just for you. Look how pretty this is. Are they not cute? Let's open this up. They're little mushrooms. How adorable these are. Super cute. And she has sent me another sticker with her channel and a cleansing cloth. Very nice gifts. Thank you so much. And then we have the item here. This is really pretty, and you can see it has the older barrel clasp on it, and I'm pretty sure that this is pressed amber. They're individually knotted between each piece. Yes, so this is amber, and I'm pretty sure this came from Marzena also, from one of her sales. Very beautiful and delicate. Marzena is often on with Steven over at Sugarvision, another channel you guys should check out. And I'm going to leave a list of these channels. There's Halies Jewelry and Crafts, Sugarvision, Sunshine Amberzena, and of course, Picky Niki. And here's a good look at this on the form. Isn't that beautiful? This is the last package. She has sent me one of her business cards. Let's get this opened up. And we will see which item this is. Okay, so I am thinking that this is the item that I bought at the fundraiser for Halies Jewelry and Crafts. That was from Picky Niki. Isn't that beautiful? It is a gorgeous sterling butterfly. It does have vermeil on the back. Let me zoom in so you guys can see. Hopefully you can see that. And I thought this was just simply beautiful. Wasn't really looking to buy anything that evening. I was watching just to give support to everyone that was on. But I also wanted to contribute, and I thought, why not purchase this? This is gorgeous. Isn't that just a gorgeous necklace? I don't think my lighting in here is doing it justice, but this is really pretty. So certainly some lovely items from these YouTubers. You guys definitely look in the description box below the video and go check them out. And let me know which one was your favorite in the comments. I want to thank you all for taking time out of your day to watch my content and to share these beautiful items with me. If you haven't already, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe, and ring the bell for notifications on more content about collecting vintage and antique items. Thank you again for watching, and I hope you all have a wonderful day.